Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carolyn and I have another Advent calendar unboxing for you today. I know this is going to come in after Christmas. I'm really sorry. I had a lot going on this month, unexpected tragedy in my family, and just got a little behind. So I hope it's okay with you guys that I do these. So anyway, we're going to do the Dior Advent calendar for 2022. This is a, where am I? Where's my note? Dior. This is a $650 Advent calendar, but it was on sale at Harrods of London for $460. So I don't know if this will go on sale or not, but it's got the pretty ribbon and then this tag, and it's got all the information in here. Yep. So let's open it up. Look at this beautiful calendar. Isn't that beautiful? It's a constellation theme. Let me see if I can pick it up. Yeah. It's a constellation theme. And it's so pretty. It's gold and navy blue, and it's just gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me find door number 1. God, they're hard to see. Okay, this is door number 1. Oh, shoot, I ripped it. And we have the Dior perfume. Looks like this. Looks just like the big bottle. And this is really nice. Oh, I love it. I have a full bottle of this, and it's so nice and sweet and scents, and I love it. So this is Dior. Okay. Okay, door number 2. Now this might take me a while because these are really hard to see. Okay. I wish you guys could see this. Okay, here we have, looks like a sample of the 999. This is their signature lip color, lipstick. And it's it is orange. It's very orangish red. So yeah, got that. It's a nice little lipstick to take if you're on, going out for an evening and you have a smaller purse, you just want to throw something in there. There you go. All right, day number 3. Where are you? Oh, 18. 19. Where's day? Oh, way down here. Kind of a big door. And it is Capture Total Super Potent Serum. This is a signature skincare line of theirs. Let's see. That looks like that. Nice clean scent. Nothing overpowering or... I like it. Okay, day number 4. Oh, these are so hard to see. Oh, it's a candle. And this is the Osmanthus. Look. I don't know. It doesn't really have a scent. And it has the standard wick and kind of an orangey wax. I love candles. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, day number 5, right here. I keep ripping it. Oh, it's Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. This is nice too. I have a full bottle of this too. I don't know why I can't focus. Yeah, this is a nice floral summery scent, I think. I have so many of these little samples. But yeah, that's nice. Okay, day number 6. Thought I saw you somewhere. 7/18. 20. Shoot. These are so hard to see. Here's 6 right here. Okay, it's a little box. Looks like that. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the ornament. Ooh, pretty. It's a pretty star, and it's got that constellation on it. And it's shining on everything. Yeah, that's pretty. Hang it on your tree. Very nice. Very nice. It's nice to get a little ornament, I think. Okay. All right, that was 6. Day number 7. It's right here. And we got a perfume, looks like. Grise Dior. Why is that not focusing? Ugh. I love that. So fresh and clean. Grise Dior. I like it. Okay, day number 8, right here. Geez, the whole thing's ripping. Okay, this is Dior Show Iconic Over Curl Mascara. Looks like that. Oh, and it's got that curved brush. Looks like the bristles are decent. Yeah, you just go like that and one and done. What number was that? 8? Okay. Door number 9 is right here. Sauvage. This is the aftershave. You know, Johnny Depp does the commercials for this. Looks like that. This is nice. I bought my husband some of this. Smells good. Very nice. Okay, door number 10. Where are you, day 10? Oh, God, these are hard to see. 18, 19. I'm sorry, guys. This is taken 13, 20, 17, 10. Right down here on the bottom. I was worried about doing this calendar because I can't see the numbers. They're hard to see. All right, we have Dior Prestige Serum. Looks like that. It's got the little Orbeez in it. Yep, looks like that. Little pink, little tint of pink. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like lotion. That's really nice. I'll be getting some use out of that. Okay, day 11. Where are you? Right here in the front. I wish you guys could see this. I got to figure something better out for next year. Oh, another candle. This is Jardin Dior J. It's like that. It's just a normal. It smells so good. I love it. I can't wait to burn it. I love their candles. They're so sharp. It looks so nice. Okay, day 12. Where is day 12? 13, 20. 15, 23, 12 right here. I'm sorry. These are so hard to find. Oh, we got a nail polish. Dior Rouge 999. Dior Vernis. Looks like that. I'll be taking this on vacation. What's going on? Oh. Oh, it's pretty. Very nice. Where was this? Where was this? Oh no, I can't find. Where'd I get this? Oh shoot. Oh no, because I can't remember what day I'm on now. Oh. Shoot. Oh, what's this one? That was day 12. All right, day 13 was over here. 13. Oh, another perfume. And this, Oud Isfahan. I don't like this. I've smelled it and I don't like it. It won't focus. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't like it. It don't smell that bad now. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I won't be using that. I don't know what it is. I just don't like it. Ugh. All right, day 14. Day 14, 15, 18, 19. 14. Jeez. 20. 17. 22. It's 23, 15, 18. It's so hard to see. Oh, here we go. Another lipstick. And this is, looks like a lip balm. It's just white. Just a lip balm. Oh, yeah, I have some of this and it's really nice. It really makes your lips soft. I like it. Okay, that was day 14. I seen 15 right here. It's like a cream. It is Grise Dior. Ah, it smells so good. It's and it's very thick. Looks like that. Oh, it smells so good. I like it. I know some people don't, but I do. It smells good. Okay. 16. Okay, let's see. I've been nervous about doing this because I can't. These numbers are so hard to read. Oh, where are you? 16. 23. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Can't find it. I'll be editing the heck out of this tape. There it is. It's another Miss Dior, and it's the original. The newer scent that came out was the first one I showed with the cloth ribbon bow. The original has a metal bow, and this is Blooming Bouquet. Looks like that. I love this too. It's so good. It's so good. So yeah, very floral, very fresh. I ruined my calendar and I wanted to... Oh, shoot. Okay, 17. Right here. Okay. All right, what's this one? Jasmine Diange. Oh, I don't know. Diange. It's French. Let's smell it. That smells good too. Very nice. Okay, so that's 17, 18. I know I saw 18 somewhere. Right here. Another candle, and it is Amber Nuit. Amber Nuit. Very nice. Very nice. It smells like I don't know, outdoors. I like it. Okay, that was 18. 19 was over here. I know I saw it. 22. 19 down here. Another perfume. I can get it out. It's crooked in here. All right. It's a Dior. It's the new one. Let's see. Is there anything in there? Oh, I had a hard time getting it out of there. And it's weird because the perfume's white. See, it looks like a lotion. Oh, that smells good. Very floral. Just a nice scent. Oh, I like it. I like it. Where did I get this from? Right here. Okay, that was 19. Now 20. Day 20. We're moving through this fast. That's a good thing because it's hard to see. 20 right here in the corner. The whole thing just ripped. Gee. Okay. Crap. Another lipstick in the Rouge 102, 1040. Oh, it's a nude. I don't gravitate towards the nudes. Yeah, it's pretty. The bottom one. Not bad, not bad. All right, day 21. I know right here. Ooh, got a big one. Oh, I can't get it out. Oh, I'm ruining my calendar because I can't get these out. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, guys. I can't get this out of here. Oh, there we go. Sorry. This is Dior Prestige La Creme. Looks like that. It's a big one. It's got the seal. It's doubled. See? It's got 2 seals on it. Ooh. Nice and thick. This is a good size. Oh, it's got the star on the bottom. Very nice scent. Very nice. Okay, that was 21, 22. Right here. Getting down there. All right, this is Miss Dior Creme de Rose hand cream. Looks like that. Oh, it's thick. Looks like that. Oh, it does smell like roses, and I love roses. Oh, I'll be using that. I like it. Okay, 23. I thought I saw over here too, but maybe not. Oh, 23 already. This is the day before the big day. Okay, and it's Base Serum Mascara, Lash Primer Serum. Looks like that. Okay. Oh, my hands are all slippery. Oh, it's in a brush. It's just white. Just to prime your lashes. I like these. I like these a lot. I use them. The mascara. What am I trying to say? The mascara primer. Oh my goodness. Okay, and the last door is a big one. It's 24, Christmas Eve. And we got a big candle. 30 Montaigne Christian Dior. It looks like that. Whoops, I took the seal off. I want to smell it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. It's pretty. It's got the decoration of the calendar on it. Let's see. I smell it already. It smells good. Ooh. It's a very beautiful candle. And then see the back all the way around. It's so beautiful. And it's got a blue wax, normal wick. Oh, it smells really good. I'm going to burn that. It's okay. That was day 24, last day. That was the big finale. I thought this calendar was good. We got some good sizes, and the products are high notch. I mean, they're really nice products. Got a lot of perfume samples and makeup and skincare, and it just had just about everything in here. Yeah, I liked it. You can see what it looks like after I tore it apart. Yeah, it's terrible. But anywho, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Did you like this? Do you think it's worth that money? I don't know about that. But yeah, I do. I really like it. I think it was a good calendar. A lot of money though. It is very expensive. But anyway, hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you have a nice New Year. And thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell. That way you'll always know when I have a video coming out. Stay happy and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.